Here's a breakdown of the snake's life cycle, presented in 6 paragraphs as requested. The snake's journey commences with its emergence from an eggshell, a profound beginning to a life dedicated to survival, growth, and transformation, a lineage stretching back millennia. The egg itself is the initial cradle of life. While the majority of snakes are oviparous, meaning they lay eggs in safe, warm, and moist locations, a select few, like pythons, exhibit a remarkable maternal instinct, safeguarding their eggs by coiling around them for protection and warmth. In contrast, viviparous snakes represent a different strategy, developing their young internally and bypassing external egg-laying entirely until the time of birth. Within the protective, leathery confines of the egg, a developing embryo nourishes itself from the yolk, growing until it is ready to break free. This momentous liberation is achieved with the aid of a temporary, specialized tooth known as an egg tooth, used to puncture the shell in a process called pipping. This act marks the hatchling's very first independent step, signifying its successful transition from embryonic life to the external world. Upon hatching, these young snakes, known as neonates or snakelets, are essentially miniature, fully developed versions of their adult forms. From this instant, they are entirely self-sufficient. With no parental provision of food, shelter, or guidance, they are immediately thrust into the challenging task of finding their own safety, warmth, and sustenance, commencing their individual struggle for survival in the wild. As these young snakes mature, they undergo a fascinating process of shedding their skin, termed ecdysis. This shedding occurs with greater frequency in juveniles due to their rapid growth rates. Each molt not only accommodates their expanding physical bodies, but also serves the vital functions of repairing minor injuries and ridding themselves of external parasites, thereby ensuring their ongoing health and development. The snake's diet undergoes a significant evolution throughout its life, progressing from consuming small insects and lizards to preying on larger animals such as rodents and birds. Concurrently, their hunting techniques may also adapt, influenced by their specific environmental surroundings and their increasing size and strength. Upon reaching maturity, a snake achieves sexual capability, a milestone dictated not solely by age but also by factors like physical size, overall health, and prevailing environmental conditions.